This is Katherine with the Lexington County Public Library. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use A to Z databases to promote a small business. We'll focus on how to find information on other businesses, such as key people and contact information, to start building mailing lists and sending promotional flyers. To get to the database, start by visiting our website at lexcolibrary.com. From here, select Online Resources under our Resources tab. Our online resources are presented alphabetically, so select A to find A to Z databases. Once here, you'll need your library card number to enter. Welcome to the A to Z Databases homepage. You can see there are multiple options for research here. Let's start by using the 30 Million Businesses and Executives database to find business sale leads and mailing lists. This database provides us with detailed reports on businesses, including key people, locations, job postings, and demographics. Let's get started. To stay within our area, we can start by limiting the search to the local metro area by selecting Metro Area under Geography. Select the state from the drop-down menu and select the desired area in Select Metro Area. Next, select Keyword Business Type under the heading of the same name. Here, we can choose the type of business. There are a variety of business types that you can choose from, so keep looking through the list to make sure you've selected what best suits your business. Under Ownership, selecting Franchise Type lets you narrow choices for franchised or chain stores. For this search, we are going to eliminate chain stores from our results. Select Update Count to see how many businesses fit for what you're looking for. Too many? You can continue to narrow your search by using additional filters on the left. Not enough? We can go back and add more business types in our search as well, expanding our options. Select the Search option to view your results. Here, we have our list of local stores to whom we can promote our products. You'll see from this page the business name, the key executive's name, the address and phone number, the estimated yearly revenue, and the corporate family tree if there is one. You can select any of these headings to reorganize the data. By selecting a business, we can get a more detailed report. Here, we can look at an overview of the business, an industry profile, area competitors, and other nearby businesses. Let's head back to our results page. This looks like a great place to start with our flyers. To print the list, highlight all the records and select Print. This will change the list to a printer-friendly PDF that can then be saved to the computer or printed directly. You can also download the list directly to your computer or send the list to an email. If you ever need help, A to Z Databases offers a chat option located in the bottom of the page. Feel free to reach out to your local library branch for any assistance as well. A to Z Databases is one of the many sources Lexington County Public Library provides that can help with growing your business. Check out more options and tutorials on our website, lexcolibrary.com. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you next time.